OLL is the third step of the CFOP method in which you do an algorithm that orients all the corners and edges. But OLL does have a total of 57 algorithms, and if you're just starting out, you don't want to do that. So instead, you can learn beginner OLL, which is only 9 algorithms and is 2 steps. One, where you orient all the edges, and then orient all the corners. So the first thing you're going to need to do is look at your edges. If your edges make a line, then you can do this algorithm. An F move, R prime U prime, and then F prime. The next case is a V case where the two edges right next to each other are facing upward. So what you need to do is put it like this, and it's very similar to the last algorithm. Instead of an F move, do a wide F move, and then R prime U prime, wide F prime. And the last case is where there are no edges facing up and it's just a dot. So what you can do is do the first algorithm, and then the second algorithm right after. After you orient all your edges, the next thing you need to do is look at the position of the corners on the cube. So if your corners look like this, then you can do this algorithm. If these two are facing the same direction and these two are facing the opposite direction, if these two corners are solved and these two are facing the same direction, and put it on the back and then do this algorithm. If these two corners are solved and these two are opposite from each other, then put the unsolved corners on the side and do this algorithm. If these two are solved and these two aren't, hold it here and do this algorithm. If it kind of looks like a fish on top and this corner faces towards you, do this algorithm. If it looks like a fish and this one doesn't face towards you, but this one does, then hold it here and do the same algorithm but on the left side. It may take some time to memorize the algorithms and get the recognition down, but if you keep practicing, then it will eventually happen. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to check out my beginner PLL tutorial on the end screen here.